In the Google search bar, type ieltsidpindia.com. You will be taken to the official website of IELTS IDP. As you can see, in the upper right corner of the web page, there is a Book Now button in red. Click on the button. On this page, you can find a list of all the cities where IELTS exam is offered. You can also find cities by using their initial letters. For example, click on N to find New Delhi. Scroll to the top of the page. To register for IELTS, select the test type. I am selecting the computer delivered IELTS. Next, you will be prompted to select the test module. You can either select the academic module or the general training module. Here, I'll be selecting the academic module. Next, you will be prompted to select the city in which you wish to give the test. Here, I'm selecting New Delhi, Nehru Place from the list provided. Once you are done, click on the Book Now button in red. On this page, you can find all the available test dates for taking the IELTS exam. Here, I'll be selecting 25th August. As you can see, there are 3 time slots available for taking the IELTS exam on 25th August 2023. I'll be selecting the 1 pm to 4 pm slot. Below the time slots, you can see the test date, test type, the test and the price for the same. Remember that the selected test date is only for the listening, reading and writing modules. Speaking schedule shall be communicated separately. Once you have verified all the details, click on Book Now. This page will ask for your personal information. Select your title and type in your name. As you can see, the last name is not compulsory, hence if you do not have a last name, leave it blank. Remember to enter your name the same way it appears on your ID proof. Next, enter your email and mobile number. Select your ID document type. As you can see, only the passport option is available. Next, enter your ID number, that is, your passport number. Also enter the date up to which your passport is valid. Next, enter your date of birth. As you scroll down below, you will find the option to request special arrangements in case you have a permanent disability such as visual, hearing or specific learning difficulty. Click on Yes in such a case. In the text box provided, you will have to specify your requirements. You will also have to attach original supporting medical evidence along with the form. The medical evidence should be in the form of a report prepared no more than 2 years before the test date. Requests for modified test materials should also be submitted 3 months before the test. If you do not require any special arrangements and do not have any permanent disability, click on No. Read the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and once you agree to them, click on the I confirm checkbox. In case you wish to receive latest updates about products, services, promotions and events provided or organized by IELTS by IDP, click on the I agree checkbox or leave it blank. Recheck your details, and once everything is correct, click on Proceed. On this page, you will be asked additional information. You will also be asked to confirm your email address and also your mobile number. In addition to that, you will be prompted to type in your telephone number as well. Next, type in your address. Also type in your city and select your state. Enter your postal code. Select your country of nationality and your first language. You also have to select your occupation. In case you are a student, click on Other and specify in the If Other, please specify box. Next, select your occupation level as student. The next question will ask you the reason for taking the IELTS exam. Select the one that is the most suitable for you. In case your reason is not mentioned, select Other and specify it in the If Other, please specify box. Next, select the country you are applying to or intend to go to. If the country is not mentioned in the list, click on Other and specify in the If Other, please specify box. The next question is not compulsory, hence you can leave it blank if you wish to do so. The subsequent question will ask you the level of education you have completed so far. Select the one that is the most suitable for you. The next question will ask you the number of years you have been studying English. Once you've selected your answer, click on Submit. This page will ask you to upload the first page of your passport as well as the last page of your passport for address proof. You can choose the file to upload the same. You can also skip this step. However, you will have to upload these documents later on. Hence, it is advised to upload them here itself. On this page, you will be prompted to list in the academic institutions, government agencies, professional bodies or employers whom you wish to send your IELTS course to. Select the country where the academic institution is located. For example, United States. Select the organization or the university where you wish to send your course to. For example, California Institute of Technology Graduate School. You can also type in the name of the person or the specific department where you wish to send your course. You can also enter your file or case number, and after you've done so, click on the Add button. Similarly, you can add other universities or organizations wherever you wish to send your course to. Once you've completed your list, click on Submit. You can also skip this step if you want to do so. On this page, you can review all the personal information that you've entered so far. If there are any changes needed, you can click on Edit Details. You can also print these details if you want to. Once you've verified all the information, click on Proceed to Pay. On this page, you can see the test date, time, test city and test type. You can also see the payment reference number as well as the test fee. Scroll down below to select your payment option. You can make online payment via Visa, Master or wallets, or you can use net banking/UPI. Once you've selected your payment method, click on Pay Now. Once you complete the payment, you will officially be registered for the IELTS exam.